Here's a look at the latest GFS. I'm not even going to move it out that far. Well, I'll show you this. This is what the GFS thinks if we were to have that set up. Snow for everyone out there. Everyone's happy here from DC to Baltimore, Philadelphia up to Boston. You got a foot or more of snow. End of the run. Let's just push forward here. I'd say we'll say 10 days. Here's the GFS. Again, chance for snow through the plains. Lots of big snow potentially for Michigan, inner New England, some good snow, and some good snow for the Rockies, including the Central Rockies here. Now let's take a look at what the European sees. Let's go back to the 12Z, move out about 10 days. Where's the European see the opportunity for some snow? You can see right here, upper Midwest, Michigan, New England, potentially some snow out in the mid-Atlantic, and the chance for some southern snow here. Texas, northern Louisiana, Arkansas, northern Mississippi, Tennessee, Kentucky. Again, we also have all of that snow out west. So I will say what we're seeing on the Euro and what we're seeing on the GFS, the consistency is definitely Michigan, inner New England, and then the chance for a snowstorm somewhere, maybe across the plains or the south. All right, here is our European weeklies, 7-day temperature anomalies. Now, I will say the Euro is being very aggressive with warm air in the short to midterm, and it has a history with being too aggressive. But if we take a look at this, we're pushing all the way out now through January 12th to January 19th, all the way up until kind of that 7-day time frame. We're looking pretty warm. We get into the second half of January. Look at this big cool down. Now we're looking at January 18th to January 25th, potential 7-day temperature anomalies. And we push out towards the end of January, coldest time of the year in the northern hemisphere. We still have that very cold signal from the Euro. So even though it's being extremely aggressive with the warm air in the short term, it's also being pretty aggressive with the cold air in the long term, the medium to long term here as we get towards that third to the fourth week of January. And this is what you want to see if you want a chance for southern snow. You want to see a pretty cool signal around this time of year because that's when you get the opportunity for below freezing air to swoop up against the Gulf, potentially out here towards the Atlantic, and give you an opportunity for a nice tilted trough to put some snow down in the south. So still not a bad look from the European here.